Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we go back to December of 2018 to bring you a trip along Florida State Road 292, beginning in Pensacola and heading west towards the Gulf Coast. Pensacola is the county seat of Escambia County, the westernmost and oldest county in the state of Florida, founded in 1821. At the Bayou Chico Bridge, we leave the city limits of Pensacola and enter the census-designated place called Warrington, which had a population of 14,531 as of the 2010 census. Despite having attempted to incorporate as a city in 1975 and having a post office and zip code, Warrington is considered part of Pensacola. The area is named for Lewis Warrington, who served as Secretary of the Navy from 1844 to 1851. Naval Air Station Pensacola is located here. Highway 292 here is called Broncos Avenue, named for the hilltop Fort Broncos located to the south in what is now the Naval Air Station. The fort was deactivated in 1947 after World War II and designated a historic landmark in 1960. The fort was restored in the 1970s and is now open to the public. Here, Broncos Avenue becomes Gulf Beach Highway, and as you may have guessed from the edit in the video, we made a wrong turn which took us right to the entrance of the Naval Air Station. We'll be on Gulf Beach Highway for a little while, but won't actually see any beach area until after it ends. Here, Gulf Beach Highway turns left on a road designated as Escambia County Road 292A. State Road 292 becomes Sorrento Road, and we continue straight. We're about to get into an unpopulated area, and we'll be driving through part of the Tarkland Bayou Preserve State Park. It's home to 4 species of endangered pitcher plants as well as other rare and endangered plant species. The rare carnivorous white-top pitcher plant is unique to the Gulf Coast and found only between the Apalachicola and Mississippi rivers. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. Here we cross the western end of the Gulf Beach Highway and Florida 292 becomes Perdido Key Road. We'll be crossing a bridge over the Gulf Intracoastal Waterway and entering Perdido Key, where we'll finally get a look at the Florida coast. But we'll have to wait for the next video for that. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.